Guntur, the vibrant heart of Andhra Pradesh, is famous for its fiery cuisines and diverse dining culture, from local street eats to family friendly restaurants and elegant Middle Eastern establishments. The city's culinary scene reflects bold Andhri flavors, aromatic biryanis, and modern multi cuisine experiences. Whether you are craving traditional meals or trying newly themes, here are the best top 10 restaurants in Guntur you shouldn't miss. The first one is Castle Mandi Arabic Restaurant. Nested in the Brodipar area of central Guntur, Castle Mandi boasts a Middle Eastern ambience complete with camel decor and vibrant wooden interiors. It is renowned for its large mandi platters featuring chicken, lamb, and vegetable dishes served with fragrant saffron rice. Portions are generous, making it ideal for sharing. Prices ranges from approximately 700 rupees to 1400 rupees for two guests. The restaurant is especially popular for celebrations and weekend dinners. The second one is Flichazo Buffet Restaurants and Banquets. Located in Lakshmipuram on Vinayak Nagar's main road, Flichazo delivers a lavish Mediterranean Asian buffet in a spacious, elegant setting. With live cooking counters and themed food sections, diners enjoy a wide variety of grilled starters, curries, and desserts. The royal decor blends banquet style elegance with casual comfort. Average cost for two is around 1200 rupees or more, making it a perfect for family gatherings or group outings. The third one is Venkatesh Grand Restaurant. Situated in Brodipad near SVN Colony, Venkatesh Grand serve a mix of North Indian and Andhra dishes in a large airy dining hall. Menu highlights include biryanis, flavorful curries, and a local praised Kashmiri curd rice. Many locals and families choose it for its reliable taste and attentive staff. Prices for two typically range from 500 rupees to 600 rupees. It is a go-to for hearty meal and group occasions. The fourth one is Hotel Subani. This classic eatery in Srinivasa Raupat is best known for its authentic Hyderabadi style biryani, rich mutton dum, and comfortable vegetarian plates. The aroma of slow cooked spices and layered rice define the experience. Affordable yet flavorful meals for two cost around 600 to 700 rupees. It is popular among locals and visitors seeking traditional Andhra biryani in a no-frills setting. The fifth one is Flamingos. Located on Arundel busy street, Flamingos is a multi-cuisine hub offering a mix of Andhra, North Indian, Chinese, and biryani options. The bright interiors, casual seating, and service efficiency make it a family favorite. Signature items are their biryani, spicy Andhra meal, and noodles. Dining for two feeds between 800 to 1000 rupees. It is especially lively during dinner hours and small celebrations. The next one is Chennai Thalapati Family Restaurant. Found near Rilpat, this Kerala style family restaurant specializes in South Indian cuisines with the highlights on chicken and mutton biryani served in banana leaf style presentation. The biryani bucket with generous portion is well liked for its rich aromatic flavors. Meal for two usually costs around 800 rupees. The setting is minimalist and functional, ideal for fans of traditional South Indian comfort food. The next one is Moria Tasty Foods. Located in Brodipad within a modest dining setup, Moria offer a vast vegetarian menu combined with Chinese and Andhra specialties. The food is home style, clean and satisfying with dosas, vegetable curries and Indo-Chinese dishes on the table. Budget-friendly pricing make it popular meal for two cost about 400 rupees to 550 rupees. It suits student, families or quick casual meals. The next one is Anand Bhavan. This vegetarian restaurant in Srinivasa Nagar Colony has vintage vibe and signature cross-serve meals that feel nostalgic. It specializes in Andhra-style thalis, authentic curries, and a variety of dosas with rice items. Ideal for traditional dining experiences, a full meal for two costs around 500 rupees to 600 rupees. The quantity and home flavor draw local regularly. The second last is Sweet Magic. This dessert emporium on Brodhipat Main Road is over a decade old and known for its selection of Indian sweets, pastries, and bakery items. The clean, well-lit interior make it a pleasant place for desserts and afternoon snacks. Items like fresh chocolates, cakes, and crispy jalebi are crowd players. A sweet treat for two should cost around 300 to 500 rupees, ideal for ending a savory meal or treating yourself. The last one is the Hangout Cafe and Bistro. Set on Lakshmipuram Main Road, the Hangout offer a modern cafe experience with desserts like Nutella waffles, sizzling brownies, cake, and pan Asian wings. The quirky setting, friendly staff, and relaxed evening vibe make it ideal for younger crowds or casual hangouts. Meal for two, including dessert and beverages, range between 400 and 600 rupees. Great for winding down after dinner or catching up over coffee. Here are some dining tips for Guntur visitors. From Arabic mandi to South Indian biryani, Guntur offers varied plate experiences. Andhra food tends to be spicy. Request milder version if preferred. Dining for two generally fall within 300 to 600 rupees for budget and street food, and 600 to 1000 rupees for full meal at family restaurant, and 1200 or plus for full or upscale multi-cuisine venues. Many restaurants are wheelchair or prom family, but still check if the venue has seating or accessibility as needed. Evening and weekends get busy, reserve or go only for a table. From fire biryanis and local Andhra specialties to lavish buffets and dessert cafes, Guntur's restaurant scene is a flavorful journey through tradition and innovation. Each store promises memorable dishes, warm hospitality, and taste of local culture. Feel free to ask if you need directions for two suggestions or best dishes at every restaurant listed.